This is the beast. Let's unbox it and have a look. Inside you will find a backpack bag and the stove itself. Just remove all the packing material, backpack straps. You have this fire poker. The stove comes almost completely assembled. Inside the ashtray you'll find the knobs. One metal knob for the ashtray and a wooden knob for the door. And use the tool to tighten everything. And remember, before first use or before using the stove, unfold the legs under it. Otherwise they are easy to miss if you don't know they're there. And before using the beast inside the sauna, you need to season it. That will cause a lot of smoke, so don't do it inside the sauna, do it outdoors. Take dry wood, this is birch wood, place it inside the stove, and then you light the fire. The seasoning process takes about 2 hours, and when the stove stops smoking, then it's done. So if the stove still smokes when you put it inside the sauna, the seasoning process was not completed and you have to redo it. So make sure it burns really hot for 2 hours and you're good to go. And that's it. The stove has stopped smoking, it's been seasoned and it's ready for sauna use. Just let the fire burn out before trying to move it, because it's really hot, pun intended.